What's up guys, and welcome back to another G35 video. Before we start the video, I want to catch you guys up on a couple things. You may notice that it is a different garage that I have here, a completely different garage. This is actually going to be my own garage. It's really exciting stuff. I'm going to be able to go ahead and upgrade the garage as I'm upgrading the G35, and you guys will get to see the progress. I was going to make a dedicated video on how the garage process was because honestly, it was a lot. To be quite honest with you guys, it's been on and off for around 2 years that I've been working on this garage. Finally has been close to where I can actually come in here and film videos and be able to put my car inside and everything. So on screen right now, you guys will see a couple of the pictures of the before and now the after. It's still not even done. I'm still going to be coating the floor because the floor is just bare concrete. So as more videos come out, I will be updating you guys on the side about it. I was going to make a whole video where I was going to show you guys what I was doing and everything that I needed to do in order to get the garage ready. But to be quite honest, I felt like it was going to take just longer to be able to get the garage to where it is right now. So I wanted to focus more on getting the garage ready so I can make videos for you guys. This garage was just full of stuff. I needed to get rid of it, needed to organize this. It was just a lot of work that needed to be spent. Super thankful for the people who allowed me to use their garage or their place to be able to film videos. If you guys go look at my first couple videos, you'll notice that all those videos are outside. I'm just recording in a random parking lot, just trying to get some videos out because I already knew what I had in mind. So honestly, most of you guys know that I've been talking about tuning the G35 for so long, and honestly the biggest holdup has been that I haven't had this garage done because of the jobs that I was looking to do on it. Personally, I just didn't have the luxury to be able to do a transmission job and do it at my own pace and not have to rush through the job or do long tube headers, etc. That was a lot of the waiting that I had in the background of trying to make sure that this garage was ready so that I could do the bigger jobs, and I can leave the G35 here for days, if not weeks, if not months, and there would be no consequence to me doing that if I really needed to do it. So as of now, the garage is super bare bones, and I mean bare bones as in there is zero drywall on the garage. So again, like I showed in the pictures, all the wood was the wood color, normal brown wood. I wanted to do something quick to just make it look a little more appealing, eye appealing, so everything got painted flat black to at least have everything be one color and look a little better in a camera and just kind of presentation wise. So when I'm talking about building from zero, this is literally building from zero. There is no drywall on the walls anywhere. There was some in some corners. I just took everything off. I wanted to do a clean slate. So this is how it is right now. I put a couple flags, kind of have something to look at because it's just black walls. So it's a really big project, and I'm very grateful for everything that's been my way this far. When it comes to you guys supporting, watching, when it comes to the people that help me make these videos, there's a lot of people that had their hands in this channel that you guys didn't even see. So new beginning to the channel, new beginning to the build. I can now do bigger jobs and really focus and dial in. And also, spoiler alert, everything boost related on the G35 has already been purchased. So now it's all on timing. I'm not going to be boosting the G35 next year. I'll be boosting it in maybe like 2 years. I have everything I need besides like the supporting mods, but all I'm saying is I didn't go rear turbo. So that's gonna be fun. When that time comes, I will have it. I'm probably gonna put like a box and have it say boost stuff in it to just kind of tease everybody. Also, I did buy a new daily, which is an FX35 that I will be showing you guys on the channel and maybe the next upcoming videos. That's the daily now. G35, I don't really drive that much, and I mean, you guys can definitely tell this car is just not driven at all. I definitely need to redo that wrap. It's already getting crusty. So in this video, we are gonna be installing something on the G35. For the people that watched the last video that I uploaded, you guys would know that I installed a single exit exhaust on the G35. The biggest complaint I had, I actually really love the sound. The biggest complaint that I had was the drone. That was the ultimate thing that destroyed the setup that I had. being that it was just horrible to drive. I ended up sourcing an aftermarket exhaust muffler from someone parting out theirs. I'll show you guys pictures on screen right now, but I ended up cutting that little piece, welding it onto the single exit exhaust at a shop, and that ended up fixing the drone. Like 99% of the drone is all fixed. Today's video, we're going to be installing a different Y pipe that has a built-in resonator, and also I can swap in and out and put a straight pipe if I wanted to. So that's what I'm going to be unboxing right now. So let's get to it. Here is the Y pipe that we're going to be installing in this video. So we have the Y pipe, we have the modular 2 pieces that you can swap out. It is with V-bands, so it's really easy to do. So this Y pipe is from Circuit Works. I ended up buying this on the website. Like I said, it's modular, so you can replace this with a straight pipe. But what I'm going to be doing is actually using this as a template, and I'm going to create multiple different resonator setups that I can put into the G35 and really fine tune the exhaust to the way I like it. And it's not going to be that difficult to swap out in comparison to trying to get a resonator welded and then replaced and welded again because I didn't like the sound of it. So I really think this is the best thing you can do to your G35 350Z if you're looking to really fine tune everything exhaust wise. By the way, guys, the other Y pipe, what should I do with it? Comment down below. Let me know. Should I give it away? Should I do a raffle? Should I put it on the FX35? What should I do with that Y pipe? This is the DC Sport Y pipe that I ended up installing on the G35 maybe about almost a year ago. I have really good things to say about it. I did feel performance increase. I did like that it doesn't have any flex pipes. So right now what we're going to do is disconnect the Y pipe, take it out, put in the new Y pipe, and then go for a drive. See how it sounds, see how everything feels, if I notice any difference, give you guys my first impressions on the new Y pipe. Alright, so here we have the DC Sports Y pipe, and here we have the brand new one. I went ahead and put the V-band clamp slightly tight, just enough to where it doesn't fall off, but I can also twist the bottom part to make sure it lines up perfectly. The new Y pipe design is basically like the DE Y pipe. That one is more of an HR, VHR Y pipe design. So I just want to show you guys the comparison between DC Sports and also the new Y pipe we have. So let's go ahead and get this all bolted up and go on for drive. So if you guys have been watching the channel for a while, you guys would know I love using impacts for basically everything. I ended up going from this DeWalt 1/2 inch, which is pretty big, to this Milwaukee 3/8 impact. Life is just so much better. This one's very top heavy, so it kind of messes up with your wrist having to carry all this weight. It doesn't even have the battery, and it's way heavier than this one, obviously. But this one from Milwaukee 3/8 impact, so good. I can't believe I didn't buy this before buying the big one. I just want to let you guys know, like this, if you're looking for an impact, get a small one. This one can still take off wheels. It may take a little longer. It's not as strong as something that's bigger like this one, but it will still do great. Will still take off wheels relatively easy. But if I do need something big to take off, this one will still take off basically everything. There's nothing that I think this hasn't been able to take off. But for day-to-day use, especially if you're taking off like 10mm bolts, you don't need a 1/2 inch impact. I just wish I had made the switch earlier. Milwaukee stuff is really good, so just want to let you guys know on that. Let me know what you guys think about the exhaust. It's the second to last piece to the exhaust. The last piece being that it is going to have the long tube headers, like I've mentioned. Before I put the long tube headers, what I'm going to end up doing is installing the clutch and flywheel on the G35. That way I don't have the long tube headers in the way. After that, I do have another manifold that I'm going to be installing, the kinetics manifold. It's going to be a custom one. And then also install some new injectors. If you guys are looking for more updates when I'm not uploading, I'm usually posting on my Instagram. If you guys want to follow it right here, I'll post what I'm doing to the G35, or if I'm doing anything else, maybe let's say garage wise now. I am looking for different things to the garage. If you guys have any suggestions, if you guys have any flags that you want me to put on, whether you want to send it in or you want me to just buy them, leave a comment down below. Again, brand new beginning, garage. I'm able to now do the bigger stuff on the G35 that I've been needing and wanting to do for so long. All right, so there you guys have it. That is a G35 video. I'm up here in the mountains. It looks really nice. You can oversee the ocean. I'm down by PCH. That's the Y pipe install on the G35. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have any recommendations for the G35, for the channel, for the garage. Anything would be appreciated. So with that being said, one step closer to getting the car tuned. That's going to be the goal for this year. I feel like I've been saying this for so long, but it will be something I do this year now that I'm able to do all the mods and all the stuff that needs to be done to the G35. So like I said, I appreciate you guys watching these videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.